If you're thinking about trying GoViralStrategy AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. This isn't just another shiny tool, this is one of the best just released AI software platforms I've tested in 2025. But it's not perfect, and there are some things no one's telling you. Stick with me, because the last point could actually save you time and money. Before we get into it, you can try GoViralStrategy completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card needed, and you'll see exactly what it can do within the first few minutes. And trust me, you'll want to see the one feature that everyone's been sleeping on. I'll cover that in just a bit. So what is GoViralStrategy AI? It's an all-in-one platform designed to help creators, marketers, and solopreneurs go viral across platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and more. It's built around one core idea, turning long-form or raw content into short-form, viral-ready clips automatically without needing a full editing team. First thing you'll notice, the interface is shockingly clean. Most tools in this space feel cluttered or clunky. GoViralStrategy is simple, and everything is built around getting to a publish-ready clip as fast as possible. You upload your video, and within minutes, you've got multiple short-form drafts, with captions, jump cuts, and even highlights already selected by the AI. Here's where it gets interesting. The viral prediction engine, this is the real game changer. GoViralStrategy doesn't just chop up your clips. It uses actual trend data and platform-specific best practices to rank which version of your video has the highest viral potential. That's next level. I've seen a noticeable difference in engagement just by trusting its top-ranked version. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. The auto-captioning still needs a little cleanup, especially with fast speakers or background noise. But you can edit it all inside the platform, so it's not a deal breaker. One of the most underrated features is the niche targeting suggestion tool. Most people miss this. Based on your input, it'll recommend specific angles, hooks, and even hashtags that are currently performing in your space. That alone can pay for itself if you're publishing content regularly. GoViralStrategy AI also integrates directly with TikTok, YouTube, and IG Reels for one-click publishing. So once you've got your final edit, you can schedule or post it without downloading anything. For creators or brands managing multiple platforms, that's a huge time saver. A lot of people ask if this replaces a real editor, and honestly, for short-form content, yes, it gets dangerously close. Is it perfect for every clip? No, but if you're pushing volume and want consistent, on-brand, high-performing videos, GoViralStrategy AI is miles ahead of most tools I've tested this year. Before you go, remember, you can try GoViralStrategy for free from the first link in the description. And if you're serious about content or building your brand, don't sleep on the viral prediction engine. It's one of the smartest features I've seen added to an AI video tool in a while. Also, I've listed my top recommended AI software tools in the description. I've tested thousands of tools at this point, and these are the ones that actually deliver. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.